Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a date in Microsoft Loop. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to loop.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your Loop workspaces and pages. After you've logged in, you'll see your available workspaces or projects on your screen. Click on the workspace or project where you want to add a date. This could be any active projects you're currently working on, like a team collaboration board or a personal planning workspace. Now on the left side of your screen, you'll see a list of pages within that workspace. These pages contain different sections of your project, like meeting notes, task lists, or brainstorming documents. Click on the specific page where you want to insert a date. This opens up the page editor where you can add and modify content. Here's where the magic happens. In the text area where you want the date to appear, simply type /date. As soon as you start typing this command, Loop's intelligent search will recognize what you're trying to do and display relevant options. This /command feature makes it incredibly quick to insert various elements without having to navigate through multiple menus. From the results that appear on your screen, click on the date option. This tells Loop that you want to insert a date picker element into your page. It's a clean and efficient way to add time-based information to your documents. A calendar interface will now appear on your screen. This calendar allows you to visually select any date you need, whether it's today, tomorrow, or a date further in the future or past. It's much more intuitive than typing dates manually and helps maintain consistency across your workspace. Simply browse through the calendar, select the specific date you want to add, and click on it. The date will be instantly inserted into your page at the exact location where you typed the command. Loop will format it properly and it becomes part of your document content. And that's it. You've successfully added a date to your Microsoft Loop page using the quick /command feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.